Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I ended up going back to Michael's, as you can see by the title above, and I want to share with you guys what I picked up. I went my first time and then I just forgot some stuff, so I kept thinking about it and I had to go back. I know, I'm horrible, I'm a shopaholic, I can't help it, and the sales are really good right now at Michael's. So if you never go to Michael's, you need to go now because they have a lot of good deals going on right now and the coupons are great, and it will be over on the 24th. So get your butts over there if you want to get some stuff. But let me show you guys first some storage stuff that I got. So I'll put this aside. The first storage item that I got is by Craftmates, and it's lockables, and it's 7 compartments. This is what it looks like, and it's just for like sequins or beads and stuff like that, but it stays locked so it won't fall out. And these were just $1.50, and I figured why not? For $1.50 I'll try it out. And I also picked up this artsy, I'll bring the focus up, this artsy bottle kit, and you get like a bunch of little bottles, and I figured for $1.49 it's good to send in Happy Mail. It comes with like stickers and labels and twine, so I picked that up. I also picked up the, what is this, the 1-inch scallop punch. I have the big one, but I didn't have the 1-inch, so I got that. I used my coupon for that. And then I never seen this one at Michael's, and I did, like, I do separate purchases. I do like different transactions so that I can use my coupon multiple times, and since they know me so much there, they let me do it without a problem. So I saw this We Are Memory Keepers reinforcer punch, and it was $10, and I got it for $5 with my coupon. And then this was in the clearance section, and this is from like the do your own flip books from Michael's, but I guess the box broke and it wouldn't scan, and it said $2.29, but the guy gave it to me for $1, and I figured I can use it for the pieces in my Happy Mail because there's so many cute little things. There's some bows, little chipboard pieces. And then I picked up this Sizzix Framelits like doily die, and I think this is the one that Tony has. Tony, let me know if this is the one that you made my little white ones with. If so, let me know down below, girl. I got this for regular price $20, but I used a coupon and I got it for $10. And then of course, you guys, I picked up more stickers because why not? I picked up the enamel hearts. I got all 3 that they had left because these can go on any projects. Like, you can use these for anything and everything. This was on clearance, and these are these cute little ghosts. I can use these for Halloween. I got some more of the pastel enamel dots. Another pack of the bananas because I saw that it was the last one left, and I figured, let me just take it. I picked up 2 packs of these party hats because how fun do they look? I picked up one of these little shaker ones. These are super cute. Picked up these. And these are ones that I left the first time around, and then I just couldn't stop thinking about them, so I went back. So I got these. How cute are these? I got these for me and my wife because my wife loves anything nerdy. And these are super cute. I got some globes with the little gold foiling. These I got for my wife as well. I actually purchased these on my first trip and she robbed me. You guys, she loves sloths, and especially like this with the nerdy glasses. So I had to get them again because she took the first pack from me. And this one is super cute. I've been seeing these around, so I got another one of these. I got this from on the first trip, and then I picked up another one. And then I got these. I saw these on Solange's channel. She did her haul. These are super cute. These I found on clearance. How cute are these? Look at the little ice cream trucks and like the food trucks. This is another pack that I saw that Solange hauled. How cute. For birthdays. And these cute little ballerina ones. And then I picked up 2 of these plastic containers. I got the mint and the pink, and these are good for your drawers to organize your stuff. I want to get rid of some of the ones that I have, and I want to replace them with these. And then I also picked up this like stacking organizer for my pom-poms, because I have them in bags right now, but I figured I can put some in here and it'll look way better. And then the last thing I picked up is this big container box right here, like a dividing storage box. People use it for washi, but I'm gonna use it for ephemera because I have boatloads of ephemera. You guys know that I cut my own ephemera, so these come in handy to just store them away. Or you can put anything in here, but this is huge, you guys. This is like bigger than the one from Walmart. But that's everything that I picked up, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you liked what you watched. And did you guys pick up any stickers? Did you go back like I did? Are you horrible like me? But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.